is Anya, and today I really want to make some snowman cupcakes. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget that notification bell to be notified every time I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl with 1.5 cups of flour, add in 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. In a bowl, combine 2 large eggs, 3/4 cup of sugar, add in 3/4 cup buttermilk, 3¼ cup warm water, 1/4 cup oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Add the dry ingredients and mix until well combined. Pour into cupcake cases and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 22 minutes. I use my basic buttercream recipe to frost my cupcakes, and I'll link that down below. Dip your frosted cupcakes into some shredded coconut. Place a single caramel chip into the center of each cupcake. This is to represent the carrot or the nose of the snowman. With some melted chocolate, add 2 dots on top of that caramel chip and 5 dots underneath that caramel chip. You can also pipe a curved line of chocolate underneath the caramel drop instead of doing the 5 dots. And ta-da! You have snowman cupcakes. Enjoy!